Hey guys, what's up? It's Andrew and
Fabian.
Those Fat Guys again. We're on our way to go munch, and I just want to share with you what exactly I ate for lunch today. Check it out. It's pretty crazy. Like, I can't believe I'm even gonna go eat again.
I can't believe you're gonna eat this week again.
Okay, ready?
No, we ain't trying to do nothing.
Ready?
Go. Did you do it or not? I have confidence in him, bro.
And just for the record, it was a challenge. And that's the only reason why I did it. I don't eat like that every day. So here it is, Ilsong Garden, Korean.
I keep saying Islong. Why do you keep saying
Islam.
that?
Dyslexic loser. No.
Free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi. That's why we came, really. This place is pretty rowdy, pretty darn expensive. I think plates range from like $10.95 to
What is band change?
$34.95.
I don't understand what any of these things are.
Yeah. It's a pretty rowdy Korean restaurant, and we have no idea what most of the menu items are. It's stir-fry squid. I'm pretty sure I know what that is. Yeah, I think that means we're just gonna tear up some sushi. Or I am.
These are excellent. Everything comes with steamed rice and the side dishes. Okay?
Okay. I think I'm gonna get that.
Beef?
Yeah, the beef.
Okay. What about you?
I want to get the KC roll.
Okay, good choice.
That's it, yeah.
It comes with like a bunch of side dishes.
The what?
The regular meals come with like a bunch of little side dishes.
Like
this table right here.
But what though?
I don't know. I think that's what Banchan is.
Banchan?
Or whatever it said on the food.
I don't know.
Andrew got some soup. What kind of soup is this?
This would probably be the miso soup.
Yeah.
Because it's funny because she goes, who ordered sushi? And then she hands me soup. It smells like malto meal.
What? It's got I had some of this the other day. Like,
yeah, I've had miso soup before.
what haven't you had before? A Tom Casey roll?
Yeah. This thing tastes pretty good.
Is there tofu in there, right?
Yeah, it's got a little bit of tofu. It mostly just tastes like the broth off from like ramen.
Dude, that's delicious.
Like collard greens or something.
Collard greens? I don't think that's what it is.
Dude, these are southern. They're
Southern
South
Korean.
She cuts the meat with scissors. Scissors.
She's just a twinkly, fun scissors.
Yeah. Zigzag lines.
Yeah.
Possibly little curves and points at the same time. Those
Yeah,
are
that's always fun.
But I think that's all Fabian's food right there.
Dude, last time I ordered
Oh, there you go. That's where it starts. Dude, you're gonna die, dude.
I didn't eat a burrito.
What the crap, dude?
These are.
Potato, kimchi, fish cake, broccoli. So like a kimchi, but it's made out of turnips and then made out of cabbage. A little bit spicy, and dry squid with cucumber, cabbage. Okay. You need the fork?
What's that?
Yeah.
No, I'm just playing. The rice.
Actually, this is made out of.
So basically, you got squid and fish? That's fish?
She said, thank you.
She said fish cake.
Because I am not authentic.
Oh, you don't know how to use
Dude,
chopsticks?
my food is getting all
Dude,
into yours.
I have no room left for my food. You're stupid, dude.
Why am I stupid?
Why do you have pickles? What the?
Dude, those are cucumbers.
No, those are pickles.
I hope they're pickles because I like pickles.
I've never seen a meal come on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plates or dishes. I think that's why it's expensive, dude. I think it's probably like very much worth it.
Right, this is like 50 cents, 50 cents. What is this, she said? Did she say fish?
I think she said fish cake.
Oh, fish cake.
It doesn't look like cake though.
It doesn't look like fish.
Nah, dude, it kind of looks a little fishy, dude. It's koi. That's what it is. It's freaking.
Squid.
Yeah, dude, dried squid.
That looks good, actually.
Try it, dude. Try something.
I'm scared. Let's try it first. I'm trying to fish head.
Dude, you're so like... Dude, you can't smell fish like that, dude. It's gonna gross you out, dude.
It's like a really mild flavor.
Of fish?
I
It tastes like bread.
It's just like cake.
That's dessert.
It's like sweet. It's like kind of sweet. Dude, that is hardcore.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
It's good.
What did she say was on? I don't remember.
Oh, I don't
It's
either.
like every sushi ingredient.
Oh no, it's spicy. Spicy tuna on top. But that still doesn't look like avocado.
That stick, it looks like cucumber.
This is like their house special sushi. Whatever that means.
Dude, meat. It's good.
Very meaty.
It's like sweet.
Dude, try that. I wanna.
What is the consistency?
Oh, dude.
Oh, this is not gonna be good. I can tell right now.
Try it, dude.
The whole thing? Or is it
Yeah,
like-
dude. Yeah, dude. The whole thing. Just dive in, dude. Dude, don't wash it down too fast. Was it like a potato consistency going on?
It's kind of spicy. Dude, the sauce is weird, dude. It's kind of spicy.
Alright, try the dried squid. Oh, I'm freaking out, dude. This place is insane, dude.
I'm just gonna try a stick of it.
Ah, dude, you can't taste the stick.
No, like that. That's not.
Alright. Dude, they look like Andy Cap's hot fries. That's,
I like those.
yeah, dude, those are the best, dude. Those are like the best hot fries, by the way.
This is good. It's kind of like chewy. It's like chewy, but
Dude, you want a tortilla right now, don't you?
I always want a tortilla. Dude, it's like chewy, but the sauce is like really good. Like it's like a sweet, but it's kind of spicy, kind of like this sauce, but this one's like way more intense.
You gotta eat sushi with chopsticks, bro. Can't use a fork.
I use a fork, dude. That's how I roll. I roll American style.
Actually, you know what? That's a lot of sushi. I really don't use a lot of wasabi.
I never eat the wasabi.
You never had wasabi?
I think I've had it. I've just never used it. I tried the potatoes. They taste pretty much just like kind of like a.
Like, it looks like it's something out of like roast.
Yeah, it has the same consistency of like a roasted potato, but the sauce it's in is like kind of sweet and tangy. Look at this guy. What is he doing?
Hey, you make the sauce, dude.
I'm gonna try some of this while he's making sauces. These pickles or cucumbers. They're totally not pickles. They're sweet too. All these things are like pretty much all this stuff. These side dishes have been like kind of sweet. Dude, look at this just rowdy array.
Oh no, party foul, fell
Oh,
apart.
dude, see, you can't even use. If I use a fork, dude. I don't use a fork either. Actually, I use my hands. That's allowed, right? Oh, dude, I'm gonna splash back on this shirt.
I'm suck. Like that, so you don't tear up the roll. And then dip it.
There you go. That was a good one. How's the Tom Casey roll? It's got a lot of stuff in it.
Really, really good. Really, really fresh. A little bit of spice. I'm pretty sure that's from the wasabi I'm dipping in. I think I'm going to try one without wasabi just to make sure. Because I think the wasabi may be trying to impair the flavor.
Yeah, dude, you should have took a fresh one first.
Well,
See, let me get a shot of the inside of that. Zoom in on that bad boy.
with its little hat. It's good. I like more of the like actual fish, like raw fish, because I think this is actually the fish, and I think it's made into like a paste. I don't taste like an actual fish. Maybe no.
This is Andrew's reaction to this thing.
I never put that back in my mouth.
I've heard you say that before.
So what do you say?
Very good.
Is it good?
Oh, it's good. It's good. Everything is good.
I'll get your. Let's see Andrew's reaction to the. What was this?
I got something in my beard.
Dude, I'm sure you have lots of crap in your beer, dude. Animals, small children.
I'm just gonna grab this little piece.
Oh, dude, afterbite.
You can like drool on this, right?
Yeah, dude. I took it all the way from my mouth and I took it out. Everything's so curious.
It's like a sprinkle of sweetness on tofu. That's what it tastes like.
Yeah, it tastes like tofu. That's what I was trying to do. It even has the consistency of tofu.
Yeah, it's
Is that
probably tofu.
Yeah, we think that might be tofu now.
I don't know, dude. You got weird side dishes.
Yeah, these things are all real weird. If you want to come try a bunch of weird stuff, and this all comes with one thing. Like I ordered one thing, and this all came with it.
And then they cut your meat with scissors.
And the meat's good, but the meat just tastes like like a good grilled piece of meat, fried with some onions. Can't go wrong there.
The sushi is good. It's probably not like the best sushi I've ever had, but it's really fresh. Like they're not using like old crab and stuff. You know?
Old dried squid.
Yeah, they use the old dried squid for their side dishes, not their sushi.
When the sushi gets old, they put it in these side dishes here, and then they put this sauce on it.
Dude, alright, Fabian was cracking up here earlier about like splashing food on my shirt and stuff. Which,
You still got some.
by the way, I still got some. Yeah.
I
Look at
was
this
like
dude.
really up on this meat. I got like, dude,
All
it looks
over
like somebody
it, dude.
shot me, dude.
Right here too.
Dude, how is that even possible?
That's
good.
And then next, Fabian's gonna do tempura snooter.
What did you think of the meal today?
Initial impression was that like I was blown away with what you ordered. I was like, damn.
Yeah. Visually, this was a visually stunning meal.
After I tried like most of his side dishes, I'd probably come back for the sushi. You know what I mean? Like the sushi.
Yeah.
Not a big fan of the sweet side dishes.
I'd have to say I didn't really like the side dishes too much either, but I kind of knew I wasn't because there's a lot of weird stuff in here, and I'm not like some regular good old meat with some onions. You can't go wrong with that. That was really good, by the way.
Price.
Yeah, the price is kind of crazy. But if you like a lot of like weird stuff and you want to try a bunch of different stuff,
Sweet sides. and
yeah,
stuff.
that's a pretty like cool.
The sushi, like the price for the sushi rolls aren't that bad. I mean, $112 is about standard, you know?
Yeah, for a hardcore roll like that.
Bye. So yeah, just finished munching it, and we didn't tell you this inside, but that was pretty much like a date restaurant.
Oh, it was hard for me. Yeah, I think it went pretty well, to be honest.
Scared. Be sure to check out our next video where Fabian, myself, and a couple of guests take on a pizza eating challenge.